Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets at outside doors where you're exiting out of the dwelling, front, back, side, depending on the number of doors that you have. But notice we do need a wall switched outlet, and this is showing kind of a cutaway here with the indoor wall switch, and we have a light there for the outside. And notice in 210.70A2, and we look at item number 2, we address this outside door light. And notice section 404.2 defines this outside light, and 404.14 deals with the loading of the switch that switches the light. And then 314.27A1 deals with the supporting means of the fixture to an outlet box and so forth. So the outdoor lighting outlet has to comply with 210.70A2, item number 2. And then for vertical surfaces and outlets and so forth, review the design tip, and it will talk more about 314.27A1 is an apple. So our figure 11-12 is simply addressing lighting outlets at outside doors. And it could be one door, front and back, or it may be 3 or 4 doors, depending on the size of your home. But this deals with the light and where these lighting outlets are required in accordance with NEC 210.70A2, item 2.